Hey everyone, after spending a cold and windy morning in Los Angeles at the Micro Mobility America conference, I am writing to you today. I've been cruising around Los Angeles on the Vmax VX2 Extreme electric scooter for a few days now, and I'm really enjoying it. Let's have a look at this scooter together. I'm ready to give my comments. Los Angeles traffic may be terrible even if you have a car, and it can be difficult to get around without one. However, the Vmax VX2 Extreme made my 3-day vacation considerably easier. First of all, the scooter's specs are incredible for its size. The bulk of 45-pound scooters in its class lack the power of its rear 1600-watt peak-rated motor, but it's comforting to have that extra power when you need it. The scooter easily reaches its top speed of 25 miles per hour, allowing you to either keep up with traffic or have a pleasant, short trip. With a range of 28 to 43 miles, you may select from 3 different battery sizes. One feature that drew my eye was the folding mechanism. With a double-action latch for added security, it is robust and guarantees a strong and reliable folding attachment. The scooter felt sturdy, safe, and secure as I folded and unfolded it. But what really sets the Vmax VX2 Extreme apart from other scooters is its lighting system. In addition to being powerful and intelligent, it also boasts an excellent set of turn signals. Now, I regularly criticize turn signals on e-bikes and e-scooters since they are generally weak and positioned awkwardly. There are also turn signals on the back deck that are similar to motorbike signals in construction. If you accidentally catch them on something, they bend and snap back instead of shattering. A scooter that is visible is safer, and these turn signals are a great addition. Safety is further enhanced by the large 10-inch tires, which help absorb some of the irregularities in the road. The scooter also features robust, weatherproofed drum brakes that prevent brake fading from water splashing. In my experience, drum brakes work better and require less maintenance than other types of brakes, which is a significant plus even though they are older technology. Furthermore, if you accidentally collide with a curb, you won't have to worry about shattering the brake rotor like you would with disc brakes. Every scooter, including the VX2 Extreme, has shortcomings. This scooter is not made for off-roading or single-track mountain climbs, but it can handle grass or dirt paths if needed. If you want something with suspension, you might want to consider the Vmax VX4. It has some extra weight, but its suspension technology makes it more comfortable. The lighter VX2 Extreme is superior in my opinion, since it's simpler to carry into a car or climb stairs. The Vmax VX2 Extreme is essentially a comfortable, lightweight scooter that nonetheless has the robustness and capabilities of larger scooters. The regular model costs $899, while the larger battery variants cost $999 and $1,099, respectively, depending on the desired range. In conclusion, I am genuinely impressed by the Vmax VX2 Extreme. I think this model strikes the perfect balance between performance and mobility after evaluating a handful of Vmax's models throughout the conference. It's probably the one I would choose out of all of them. I appreciate everyone that watched. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Vmax VX2 Extreme electric scooter. To ensure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos regarding electric vehicles, if you did, please remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Have a nice day and God bless you.